Hello everyone, this is Ananya, DSC ML Dev and Outreach Facilitator IIIT Kalyani. So, let's continue with the remaining projects of the students that they have made in Winter of Code 1.0.
Hello, my name is Yashraj Singh Rajput, and my project for IIIT Kalyani DSC Winter of Code was physics, which is based on face detection and recognition. In this, I learned different face detection algorithms and face recognition algorithms, and at the end, I created a Snapchat kind of filter which puts glasses on my face. And so right now I'm showing you the code for face detection, and I've used Euler Jones algorithm which works on Haar cascade classifiers. So let me show you. So it detects my face, as you can see it, based on the different patterns which can be observed in the face. And next I have created a face recognition. For that, first I have created a program which collects the data which is my face. So let me run it, and as you can see it recognizes my face, and it snaps a photo of each second, I guess, no, sorry, each microsecond, and it will take 400 photos over here. Okay, so I have already created it, so I don't need to run it again. And now it will recognize whether it is me or not. So 95% chances it is me, and if I'll put some other photo, it will not recognize that person. So it is based on LBPH, that is local binary patterns histogram. There are various other algorithms also, but we have only done Euler Jones algorithm for detection and LBPH for recognition. Other algorithms I will continue to work on this project later. And next I have created this Snapchat filter which recognizes my eyes and puts a glass on it. As you can see, it is not working properly because LBPH and Euler Jones are not the most optimal algorithms for these processes. We have newer ones which work more efficiently. So yeah, this was my project for DSC IIIT Kalyani Winter of Code.
Hi there, this is Shubham Kumar and this is my project. My project is a machine learning approach finding whether URL is phishing or not. So how to use this is very simple. Just take a URL, copy and paste it in the box and you click predict. Takes 5 to 10 seconds and it gives a legitimate URL. This URL is actually from a database which contains number of phishing websites, and if you paste it here and click predict, it will show phishing URL. If you want to run this locally on your PC, you can just download the repo, go to app.py file, click run code. It will take 5 to 10 seconds to run the code. And you will get a URL. Just copy that here to browser, paste, and you are here. You can do all the same things as you can do with the live one which is on Heroku platform.